Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to view Instagram stories without anyone knowing. Guys, you need to know this is so easy and so quick trick which you can use it for your engagement on Instagram. Firstly guys, you need to target a person that you wanna hide from him or her them story seeing. Just for example, we'll use the second story, the second person, it's our target. Right now, what we need to do is just simply select the first story, not the second, not our target. We need to go on our first story, and right after that, just swipe on your right side. Here, as you can see, you have ads, but what we need to do is just simply go on these ads, go hide ad. Now, get back because the ad has reached that without level. What you need to do is just simply, we are targeting the second person, the second story. What you need to do is just simply open the first story and then swipe on your right side, but not opening at full potential, like this. Get back, and now guys, as you can see in this side, this man, this person doesn't know that we have saw his story. Now guys, you know how to view Instagram story without anyone knowing. Thanks again guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.